Okay, so right now I'm going to go over the bookmarking system in Google Chrome, and other browsers might have this, such as Internet Explorer and Firefox, and it will probably be about the same process, but for now I'm just going to go over how it works for Google Chrome. So as you can see here, I have a Wikipedia article open. You could do this with any article, any site at all. So say maybe you wanted to bookmark your email to get there faster, or perhaps a video site that you'd like to watch movies on. Bookmarking can help speed that up, as I will show you how. So to bookmark a site, firstly, all you have to do is at the top right here where my mouse is, there's a star. All you have to do is click that star, and it says bookmark, and it says bookmark added, and you can change the name if you want, or you can just click done, and that will add it. And as you can see, it appeared right here, World War II Wikipedia. And I could close this tab, and then open a new one and come back, and when I click this, it's bookmarked, so I can come back to this page. And this works the same as email. So let's say I want to bookmark my email. You can see I bookmarked it right here. Even though I closed the tab, all I have to do is click it and it'll go to it. So it's a great and easy way to quickly get to sites that you frequent, such as an email service or perhaps your bank, things like that, that make it just a bit quicker to use the internet and a bit faster instead of searching everything up. So another thing that's useful is you can also go and you can create bookmark folders. You can see I have one for music here. And let's say I have all these World War tabs, World War II, World War, Total War, Military Alliance, wherever. Maybe I'm doing some sort of document about World War II. It doesn't matter. This is just an example. So what you want to do is you want to right click this gray bar right here. And once you're there, you can go down to add folder right here. And then you can create a folder in the bookmarks bar. So let's say I want to create a folder called World War paper. Now that's there. And all I have to do now is I can click this and I can drag it in. And once it's over there, you see it turns gray. I can drag it over it, and just once it's gray around, I can just drop it. And you see now it's in that folder. And another thing you can do, let's say I want to also put the war effort page in there. I click this star thing, and you see the folder is automatically a new one. But you can select different folders to put stuff in. So let's say I found a music video, and I wanted it to go in my music folder right here. I could click this star right here, and select the folder music and click done. And so it's a really easy way to sort it into stuff. So now you can see the music is right here. So it's a really bookmarking is a really good way to sort tabs into quickly accessible things if you're doing research, if you just want to get to pages quickly. And so all you have to do is click the star and put it into a folder, or put it into the bookmarks bar. You see, the bookmarks bar will be this bar right here if you click that. So as you can see, I click bookmarks bar for Military Alliance, and it's right here. I can drag Military Alliance into the folder, or you can finally click the star and move it into a specific folder before clicking done. And you can see here I have all the tabs that I wanted inside of that folder. So bookmarking is just a really simple, really quick, really easy way to go and sort your tabs and be able to access sites quickly in the future, even if you close them. A quick addendum to this is just that if you want to delete a bookmark that you don't want anymore, all you have to do is right click on it, and then this brings up this menu, and all you have to do is click delete, and then it's gone. And this works with both folders and individual ones. So you can delete individual bookmarks from within a folder, from outside of a folder, and the folder itself. And it just removes the bookmarks. It doesn't do anything with the sites, so you don't have to worry about it once it's deleted. It's just reducing the clutter.